In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a dot under letters and numbers in Microsoft Word. This technique is commonly used in worksheets, language learning materials, tracing exercises, and educational documents where readers are asked to follow or mark characters. Fortunately, Microsoft Word provides simple tools that allow you to add dots under text quickly and neatly. To begin, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document or open the file where you want to add the dotted letters or numbers. Once the document is open, click on the page and type the letters or numbers that you want to modify. For example, you might type a word, a single letter, or a series of numbers depending on the purpose of your document. After typing the characters, select the letter or number where you want the dot to appear underneath. To do this, click and drag your mouse across the text so it becomes highlighted. Selecting the character first ensures that the formatting will be applied exactly where you want it. Next, go to the ribbon at the top of the screen and click on the Home tab. Within this tab, locate the Font section, which contains various formatting options such as bold, italics, underline, and more advanced font settings. In the lower corner of the font group, you will see a small arrow icon. Click this arrow to open the Font dialog box, where additional formatting options are available. Inside the font dialog box, look for the section labeled Underline Style. Click the drop-down menu to view the available underline styles. Among the options, you will notice styles that include dotted lines. Choose the dotted underline style that best fits your needs. When this style is applied, a dotted line will appear directly beneath the selected letter or number. After selecting the dotted underline option, click the OK button to apply the formatting. You will immediately see the dotted line appear in the text in your document. If you want to apply the same effect to additional characters, simply highlight them and repeat the same formatting process. This feature can be particularly useful when creating tracing worksheets, practice activities, or formatted lists that require visual guides under text. It also helps make your document look more structured and organized. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to insert a dot under letters and numbers in Microsoft Word using the built-in formatting tools. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.